Hi, this is Simon coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, January 22nd, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 46 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 55 and a low of 28, with rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. Tonight, the Blackhawks will play the Tampa Bay Lightning at 7:30, and the Bulls will play the New Orleans Pelicans at 7 o'clock. Clubs meeting today at 3 are Hoover Harmonics in the music room, Partners Club in the library, and 5th and 6th grade Battle of the Bucks in room 207. And tomorrow morning at 7:45, 1st and 2nd grade Battle of the Bucks in the library. And at 8 o'clock, Kindergarten Puzzle Club in room 101. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Simon. Good morning to our staff and students. Happy Monday. Oh, I feel very ill. Hopefully everyone's having a great rainy Monday. Let's see, today is National Blonde Brownie Day. What is a blonde brownie, you might be asking yourself? It's when they substitute vanilla for cocoa. So it has more of a blonde appearance, I suppose, or a tan, I don't know. Yeah, more like a chocolate chip cookie. Good analogy. So if you enjoy that, have one today. It's the day to celebrate blonde brownies. Let's see. I don't really think I have a whole lot more to share other than enjoy the day. We still have access testing going on. Make sure that you're quiet in the hallways. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelter.
You're welcome, Simon.
Monday's motivation is, even though it's Monday, act like it's a Saturday. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the first graders of 107. Have a Mr. Snowman Monday.